This is Jared from Parkhopbears. Thanks for joining us. I'm here at Paradise Pier Hotel at the Disneyland Resort. The Yetis are here too. And in today's video, we're going to be showing you the Disneyland Monorail. So the first stop for the Disneyland Monorail is located in downtown Disney. And I say the first stop because this is most likely where you're going to board the monorail first. One thing unique about the Disneyland Monorail that's different from Disney World in Florida or Tokyo Disneyland is that you must have a park ticket to board the monorail. So you have to have a Disneyland ticket, specifically Disneyland Park ticket. If you have a ticket for California Adventure, you can't ride the monorail. So with your Disneyland ticket, you're going to actually go through the turnstile to get on the monorail, and now you're considered in the park as you wait for the monorail to arrive. Now that the monorail is here, we're gonna go on our ride inside Disneyland Park.
We're about to enter Disneyland. Some of the clearances are pretty tight up ahead, so be sure to remain seated, keeping your hands and arms inside the cabin.
And this is the second unique thing about the Disneyland Monorail. The first was that you have to have park admission to ride it. The second is that it actually drops you off right inside a Disney theme park. The second stop is located in Tomorrowland inside Disneyland Park. While the monorail at Epcot will take you through Epcot and give you views of Epcot, it doesn't actually drop you off inside the park. So this monorail is definitely unique for that reason. After you've had fun in the park and are ready to head back, you'll board the monorail inside the park at the Tomorrowland station and head back to downtown Disney. The third thing that is unique about the monorail at Disneyland in California is that you cannot stand on the monorail. You must be seated, and the monorail is not tall enough for you to stand on it anyway. This is very different from Disney World in Florida, where you can ride on the monorail while you're standing, or at Tokyo Disneyland, where you can also ride on the monorail standing.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide los ojos. Por favor, se ruega no fumar.
You are riding aboard the Mark 7, the latest generation of Disneyland monorails. When Walt Disney introduced this attraction in 1959, it was the first daily operating monorail system in the Western Hemisphere.
The Disneyland Monorail only has 2 stops, Downtown Disney and Tomorrowland inside Disneyland Park. It does not stop at the hotels, and it does not stop at Disney California Adventure Park. Once you're back at Downtown Disney, you head down the stairs, and now you're leaving the park. Thanks for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more Disney content from Parkhopbears. Thanks for watching. Bye.